Hello everyone, today we are looking at Zen Sangam sketchpad. It is 300 GSM cold press paper which has 24 sheets in it. It is acid free glued pad which is dual sided. The size is 8.3 by 5.8 inches, and let's open it up and see how it is. The cover is very nice and the papers are also very thick, and I even got a thank you card. Like I said before, it is an A5 size 300 GSM cold press paper, and the sketch pad has 24 sheets. So let's paint it with watercolor and test out the paper. So now I'm just making random flowers with watercolor, and the paper feels very smooth, although it's a little textured, but it's fine. And the paper is very thick, so it is holding the watercolor really nicely. The thing about cold pressed paper is that the watercolor or the paints you're using dries very fast, so that is very nice. Also, if you like to do layers on your watercolor paintings, then definitely this is the paper for you, as it dries fast, so it is easier for you to add layers on your painting. Now that my painting is ready, and as you can see, there's no paint or water being seen at the back of the paper. This sketch pad is very recommended, and if you're a beginner, I definitely would suggest you to go for this paper. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe this channel.